Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. As a part of our Appium Concept series, in this video we will see how to check and update the battery level and charging state programmatically. Okay, and we will use the two methods called get battery info dot get level and get battery info dot get state. Okay, so what's the use of get battery info dot get level? So by using get level method I can able to fetch the battery charging level. Okay, and by using get battery info dot get state I can retrieve the battery status of the device. Okay, and basically we have five states, battery states in Android. That is the 1 means unknown, and 2 means charging, and 3 means discharging, and 4 means not charging, and 5 means fully charged. This is the 5 states or 5 status of the battery status of the device. Okay, and level, okay, we have 100% charging, okay, and 50% charging. And how it is represented, if we suppose it means 1.0 means 100% charging, if it is 0.5 it means 50% charging, for same for 40% charging it is 0.4. okay, and so this by using get battery info dot get level we can retrieve the battery charge level, and by get battery info dot get state we can get the battery status. Okay, and in this video we will see all these three scenarios. That is, we will cover, we will fetch the battery level and battery state by using built-in methods, and second one we will update and fetch the battery level and battery state by using ADB commands. Okay, and third one we will loop, we'll create a for loop here and we'll check all the battery state and different battery levels here. Okay, these three will cover in this video. Okay, so I'll go to the Eclipse and I create a one class. Okay, so I say battery info demo. Okay, I creating a class called battery info demo. Okay, so quickly I just copy the setup and tear down activities which already I created from a sample class, so that you can save the time. So just copy paste here, do the necessary changes. So I remove this one and I remove this unnecessary class here. Okay, and I need to change the from sample to battery info demo class name. Okay, so my setup and tear down methods are ready. Okay, now okay, and I have opened my Eclipse here, and if I drag here you can see my battery level is 100% here. Okay, and the first method we are using here is to get the battery level. Okay, so let's go back to the Eclipse and say driver dot okay, driver dot, it is not happening. Okay, so driver dot get battery info. Okay, and now I had to get the battery state level. Okay, so I am using get level. Okay, and what I will do here, I'll just put it this one in the spring out system dot output print, okay, so that I can print this in the console, okay. So by using driver dot get battery info dot get level, I am fetching the battery charge level, okay. The same one to get the battery state, I will use driver dot get battery info dot get state, okay. So I'll get the state battery level, battery state here. So same thing, I'll put it here in the, I'll print this one in the console. So I use system dot print dot out ln. So I'll print one. I want to print this one. Okay. So it will print the battery level and battery state of this emulator. Okay. I run the Appium server here. So my Appium server is launched now. Yeah, now I run the script. So it has to print the battery charge level and the state. So 1.0 is the 100% here. See, here it says 1.0 means 100%. Okay, so as I told here, 1.0 means 100%. If it is 0.5 is 50%, and it is showing the status as, what is the status it's showing as for us? It's showing as unknown. Unknown is the code is 1. Okay, so this is the way we can able to fetch the battery charge level, okay, and battery state, means it's charging or not charging or full. Okay, so now what we will do, we will fetch it, right? I will want to update it also. I will update it. Okay, so what I will do, I use ADB commands to update here. Okay, so to update the battery custom level, I use ADB command, ADB space cell space dump sys battery space set space level. Okay, and I use this command, ADB command, to set the battery custom level, okay, charge level. And to update the battery state or status of the device, I will use ADB space cell space dump sys battery set the status I use. Okay, so in this status I can use, in the place of n, I can use these numbers here. Okay, now I'll go back to the Eclipse. You see our battery level is 100%. Okay, 1.0 means 100%, and the battery state is unknown. Okay, so what I will do here, I'll just create one ADB. So I'll say as runtime dot get runtime dot execute method I will use, and I will provide a string command here. Okay, so I'll provide ADB cell. So this ADB command I'm providing here. Okay, ADB cell dump sys, okay, battery set level. Okay, and currently the battery level is 100%, right? I want to set it to 50%. Okay, so I say has 50 here. Okay, so this is the command to set the battery level. The same thing I will use for the battery state. So instead of level, I make it as status, and I need to provide the value here. Okay, the value here. So currently it is unknown. The battery status is unknown now. Just a minute, I'll go back to, okay, now it is unknown. Okay, now I want to set the status as charging. So I meant to pass the value as 2 to get the battery state as charging. So I go back to the Eclipse and I mention as 2 here. Okay, and I just print once again. Okay, so I have updated the battery charge level and battery state. Okay, I run once again here to open the Eclipse. You see it is 100%, right? Now the battery charge level should be 50. Okay, and battery charge state should be charging now. Okay, so what I had to do, I had to get it once again here. Why? Okay, why it came like this? Okay, I had to use thread.sleep here so that it is very fast execution is, so it takes time to update there. Okay, that's why it is showing the same. So I said status here. So because it is showing, see, it is showing the same as 1.0 and unknown. Why? Because it's so fast. So I had passed my code so that I give some time to update here. Okay, so now I'll mention as, say I'll give a 100% here and I say 3 here. Okay, once again I'll run it. Now the battery charge level will be 100 and the state will be 3. So see, this is 0.5 and this is 50% and charging. Okay, now you see it changed to 100% and discharge. 3 means discharging. Okay, so 3 means discharging. Okay, so we can able to fetch the battery level and the battery state. Okay, now what I will do, I will create a for loop here and I will check all these 5 states here. Okay, so come back here to Eclipse. So what I will do here, I create a for loop. Okay, int I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5 and I plus. Okay, till here I need to want the for loop here. Okay, and instead of providing here, what I will do, I use a scanner here. The scanner means I provide the value during the runtime. Scan is equal to new scan system.in. Okay, I created a scan here and then I need to provide the value here. So what I will do here, so already I created the print output so that you can save time. Okay, I just copy here. This is print console, that's it, nothing is here. Okay, and now what I will do here, so I will provide this value here. This is to print the battery level before updating and this is to print the battery state before updating. Okay, so I got this two and now I need to please enter the battery level. So what I will say, scan dot next line use next line here Okay, so I am entering the battery level here, so I will store in the string ADB level. I am naming this variable as ADB underscore level. Okay, same thing I'll do for the state. So enter the battery state here. So I say the state. Okay, so I had to pass this value here. Okay, this thing I'll pass this value here. Okay, so instead of here I say, and I say I provide a space here. Okay, and now I say I pass this value here. Yes, ADB level. Okay, the same thing I need to follow for the state also. Don't confuse, here they say as state, in ADB they are saying as status. That's it, both are same. Okay, I just pass the value here. Okay, so I'm passing this value here, and here also I want to know, okay, of before and after. This is a before, right? And after updating I want the value here. The same thing I am using driver dot get battery info dot get state. Okay, after update. Okay, so no. Okay, not needed. Okay, same thing I'll do it here. Before updating here. I'll update here. This is I want to find the battery level and state on the console. Okay. Okay, our loop is ready and we are providing the battery level and state. Okay, now I'll go back here. Right. See, it is 100% now, and I provide data sleep here. Okay, now I run this code. So we can check all these 5 states here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is unknown, 2 is charging, 3 is discharged, 4 is not charging, 5 is fully charged. Okay, come back here, I run the code. First it asks us to enter the battery level. Okay, enter the battery level. I say as 80. Okay, and the battery state I say as, so we will give as 1. Okay, so we will start from 1 here. So it will unknown. Okay, yeah. See, now it is 80% and the battery state is unknown here. Okay, and now we will change the battery status as 75. Okay, 75, and we have used the battery state 2, right? So I had to give 1 I had used and I had to give provide 2. So it has to update to 75 and see it is charging. Okay, and now the third one I'll give as battery state as 60 and battery level as 60 and battery state as 3. So 2 is charging here, 3 is We see the 3 how it will be. See, discharging. 3 is discharging. Okay, and now the battery state I give as 90. Okay, so you can see the 60% is 0.6 here. Okay, now it will be 0.9 means 90%. So I give 90% here and battery state as 4. See, not charging, and you see the battery, the charge level is changed here, 90. Okay, the last one I say as 100, battery state as 100 and 5. So it is fully charged now. See, it is 100, the charge level is 100 and the battery state is full. Okay, so we have seen these things. Okay, we have seen the battery state as unknown for 1, 2 for charging, 3 for discharging, 4 for not charging and 5 for fully charged here. Okay, okay, we have seen all these values here. Okay, this is a way we can able to get the battery level and battery state by using driver dot get battery info dot get level to get the battery level, and driver dot get battery info dot get state means the battery charge say the battery charge state. Okay, and we have 5 different states. Okay, and already we have seen here. Okay, the 5 states is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The state we had to provide here: unknown, charging, discharging, not charging, fully charging. Okay, and what I am doing it, I am updating the battery level and battery state during the runtime by using runtime dot get runtime execute, and I am providing the ADB commands here. Okay, for updating the battery charge level, I have used ADB space cell space dumpsys space battery space set space level. The same thing for battery state that is status, I have used the command called ADB space cell space dumpsys space battery space set space status. Okay, this is how we can able to update the battery level and battery state programmatically. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and happy learning. Bye.